Yo, what is up, YouTube? So today we're talking about productivity amplifiers, a list of 15 different tips and tools to amplify productivity. All of this list, the 15 tips we have on here and the tools are going to help you to automate your business and have time productivity. So let's start it. Evernote, organizing ideas, to-do lists, research, etc. Syncs to multiple devices. Time trackers, Rescuetime, Toggl. Outsourcing personal tasks. Outsource tasks via like fancy hands, short tasks, scheduling, purchasing, research. Outsourcing professional tasks. Upwork, Guru, Fiverr. And with Fiverr and Guru and Upwork, you can you can get a logo or have all the prices are very manageable, like $5 to $10. So it's nothing very expensive at all. And if you tell me you have no money, then you're lying. You tell me you can't afford $5, then you're lying, because anybody can, and if anybody's willing to do it, they can. And personal tasks, outsourcing tasks like fancy hands, you can do it on Upwork and Fiverr as well. Pretty much anything you can see are on these websites. Project management. If you have more than a handful of people in your organization, the best tool is Asana. Google Drive, organizing and sharing documents online. I like Google Drive because you can use it for anything, such as Google Slides, Google Docs, Google Sheets, There's all kinds, and you can easily share them with your team, and you can have them, if you want to, they can all work on it together, or you can access it, you can send it to other people, or whatever you want to do. But I know this is my favorite way of keeping everything organized and sharing documents with our team. Social media sharing automation, Hootsuite, Buffer. I like Buffer because I use it for LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and I am going to use it for Pinterest. The reason why I don't use it for Pinterest is because if you use four, then it's going to require a paid membership. But if you use three, it's free. So I'm satisfied with three right now. Until I have a purpose for using four, then I will. But it is very good and very handy to publish on multiple platforms at once. Password management, LastPass. Don't waste time trying to remember all of your passwords. This is very helpful if you want to make sure you keep all your passwords, and you're not always saying forgot password. PR matters. Google alerts. Instead of searching the internet constantly for when your brand or your name is mentioned. That is very useful because the more, at first it will be as if you won't really be receiving those alerts, but the more you start to publish, the more you get yourself out there, and it's not just that it's satisfying, but it's good to know how your name is being mentioned and your reputation. Accounting software, FreshBooks, self-employed, and small businesses. Billable, office time, time and expense tracking. This is very good if you want to see what it's like to, say, if you're onboarding a client and you want to give him a payment, and this is one way you can use it. Messaging platforms for Teams, Slack, Discord, Skype. I like these three platforms because with Slack you can make your own course or make your own videos and then publish them on Slack and have your whole team look at it, and just kind of, if you need them to see it, you can just publish a video and they can take care of the rest. Discord is a very big messaging app. if you have like a group of something like say NFT group or social media group, marketing group, and you can have like thousands of people in the group, and it's just one way to connect and to even have a team on. Screen capture software. Apple products have a built-in screen capture feature. Windows have snipping tool. Other tools, Snagit. Apple products, yes. Even on your phone, it's a screen capture. Um, I know it's very good. I use it all the time, even on my phone. I have a Chromecast laptop, but I use this tool. I'll put in the link in the description, but it's a free tool and it's a screen capture software. And I highly recommend it because this is how I'm using it to record the video and record my presentations. A screen recording software, record your screen, tools, Camtasia, ScreenFlow, Screencast-O-Matic, and also I'll put the one that I'm using in the description below. Image design tool, Canva, quick and easy image design, logos, shareable images, banners, etc. I like Canva because it's very easy to use. You can use it for multiple things, such as presentations, or if you're trying to create a post, you can use it for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can create the posts on there and different sizes. You can use Canva for little GIFs, like those little videos that just keep replaying like every 2 seconds. You can use them for a YouTube thumbnail, a YouTube background, or anything really. You can use it to make your own logos and shirts. So I highly recommend it. Or you can, like I said, you can outsource it to somebody on Fiverr and for like $5 or $10, whatever you choose. But that's it for today. Like and subscribe. Link in the description of the tools I use to run my business. And I'm ready for the next one. Stay tuned.